Hello and welcome to Help from Helen. Today I'm quickly talking about bird baths. I have two ideas for repurposed bird baths so you don't have to go out and buy one. One is using an old roasting tin that you no longer want, and the other is an old pan that's maybe got scratched. This one's quite decorative as well, so I'm going to use these in the garden today. So for the roasting tin, I'm going to put this one in the ground. I'm going to sink it in slightly so it looks a little bit more disguised. You can't tell it's an actual roasting tin. I just find a nice secluded area in the garden, but that's easy for birds to get to. Sunk that into the ground. Might be quite nice to plant some flowers around it as well, so they can hide in amongst. And then just maybe pop some gravel in. Make it look a bit more decorative. And maybe some rocks in case some smaller creatures fall in and they can scramble out. And again, it looks decorative as well. And that's it. We can just top it up with water and bird bath done. So the second bird bath is using a pan. You could sink this into the ground and do the same thing, but I have a hanging basket here that I haven't got around to actually doing anything with yet, so I'm going to utilise it for the rest of the year and put the pan inside. So when you've popped gravel and stones in, all you need to do then is fill it up with some fresh water. Keep it topped up in hot weather.